The situation in the Middle East has become increasingly tensed as Donald Trump issues a very strong 48-hour ultimatum to Iran. The demand is direct: reopen the Strait of Hormuz, one of the most critical routes for the global oil supply, or face potential military action. Now, this development has added urgency to an already volatile situation. Strait of Hormuz, it plays a very important role in global energy system. A significant portion of the world's oil passes through this particular narrow corridor, making it essential for both producers and consumers. So any disruption, even temporary, it can lead to immediate effect on global market, including rising oil prices and increased transportation cost. The current tension, it has already created uncertainty, with shipping routes under pressure and energy markets reacting to the risk. According to the warning, failure to reopen the route, it could lead to targeted strike on Iran's power and energy infrastructure, which has been halted for next 5 days. Now, such targets, they are not only strategically important, but they are also very important for the functioning of country's economy. Attacks on these systems could result in widespread disruption, affecting electricity supply, industrial activity, and overall economic stability as well. Here, Iran has responded with its own warning, though, stating that any attack would be met with direct retaliation. This includes the possibility of targeting the US military bases and energy facilities again, given the presence of US forces in several Gulf countries and concentration on key oil infrastructure in the area. Such as response could quickly escalate the whole situation here. The risk of escalation, it lies in the potential cycle of action and reaction. A strike by one side could lead to a counter strike by another, increasing the chances of broader conflict here. And in such a scenario, controlling the pace and scale of escalation, it becomes difficult, raising concern about a wider regional war here. Well, the economic impact of this situation, it is already being felt. Oil prices have shown signs of volatility, and shipping costs are rising due to increased risk. Insurance premiums for vessels operating in the region are also going up, reflecting concern about safety. In the meantime, for many countries that rely heavily on energy import, including India, these developments could translate into higher fuel cost and broader economic pressure. Global powers are closely watching every situation here. Diplomatic efforts are likely underway to prevent any further escalation, while military forces remain on high alert. Well, such a combination of active diplomacy and heightened readiness, it reflects the seriousness of the current moment.